What's up, guys? We sipping on a dark roast today. What's that? He's sipping on a dark roast? That's right, we sipping on a dark roast, and if y'all interested, the link is in the description. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys, and let me tell you one thing. I'm actually gonna make a vlog today and put it out there. Past couple days have been filled with hiccups. I lost my wallet on a Postmates run, and that had my Postmates card in there. So, long story short, I don't have my driver's license, and I can't make any money for like the next week or so. Let me tell you one thing I can do without a wallet, though. Let's go to Balboa Park with my beautiful girlfriend and take stunning pictures. And that's what we're about to do. See the sights, as I've always been telling you guys. Let me tell you one other thing. You just have to be happy. Whenever bad things happen to you, you just got to be like, damn, what did I do that made this my fault? Because everything you do in this lifetime will always be your fault, no matter what. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner everything in this world will be for you. Like, the sooner you'll be like, damn, I can't expect anything out of anyone besides myself, and you will not be disappointed whatsoever. You know what else doesn't disappoint me any morning? Coffee. So we're going to get to that, start the day, take some pics, and you will be here for the whole thing. Guys, we've come to my favorite part of the day, making some coffee. I've made an executive decision of using Peet's Coffee Major Dickinson's blend. I've also made another executive decision of using the French press. The only reason why I think I could have lost my wallet is because I've been using the pour over consistently. So I've decided we have to change up the mojos and use the French press. Brings out the dynamics and the complexity of the coffee. Why not? Why the fuck not, guys? So that's what we're gonna do, and when this is all ready, the whole shabam, I will bring it to you in a nice, concise pour shot. We have come to that time of the day for the almighty plunge. Ooh, oh, so smooth. That's what's up. Now, followed by the pour shot one time. Oh my gosh. Coming real quick. There it is. There is his coffee, ready for the day. Alright, guys, we are off to better, bigger places, and that's what we do as people of the earth, as we all are. We travel the earth and see the sights it gave us to see, do the things it gave us to do, and go to the places it gave us to be at, and be the people it gave us to be. It's the most important part. You have to be yourself, guys. Otherwise, no one's gonna love you if you can't love yourself. Trust me on that. But something is troubling me at a greater, higher level, and that's my right side, the right side of my body. I don't know if it's an emotional pain or if it's a physical pain. It's masking its true identity. I have to decipher that and find out what it really is. I will let you know exactly what it is as soon as I find out. What's up, my freaks? Y'all already know where we at. We in downtown. We didn't make the Balboa yet because we gotta eat. And we're eating at Barbusa. Barbusa, Little Italy, downtown San Diego, California, United States of America. You already know where it's at. You already know where to be. You already know what we doing. We doing the business. Living the American dream. But we in at Italian restaurants. Eating fancy, you know what I mean? But anyways, as I was saying, we're about to go to Balboa after, do the business over there, live the American dream over there. I'll let you know what's on my plate soon. See if they got some coffee in his house. Because I bet this isn't an Italian restaurant, guys. Think about it. They probably have some pretty icy wrist from pouring so much coffee. Alright, guys, we made it out to Barbusa, and it is more than exceeding my expectations. I mean, just look at this place. Like, I was expecting some small family diner type of vibe, like Coco or something, but it's definitely an Italian restaurant. I'm gonna get some legitimate Italian cuisine here, and we even have some reservations for this place, Born and Raised, behind this restaurant at 10 o'clock tonight. That place is insane. It looks like the Great Gatsby. Don't know how else to explain it, but we're gonna get to the food. I will show you when it gets here exactly what we ordered, and yeah, I will see you there. Alright guys, this is our first dish, and to say the least, this is impressive. Like, the plating, absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. What is that? I have no idea. A little mason jar. Oh shit, do not want to spill it. Ooh, gotta be careful. Yes, this is insane. Some bruschetta to start off our meal, and I'm excited. Nice little espresso, guys. I cannot tell you if it's close to what an actual Italian espresso tastes like, because I've never been to Italy to get one of their espressos. I'm looking forward to doing that soon. But this is looking and smelling pretty promising. And yeah, let's see how it is. One time for your hands. Damn, might be a little sugar, but that is pretty impressive. It's gonna keep me zooted for the day. And yeah, I am excited for dinner, guys. We got some nice fish. Damn, guys, food just came out. Let me tell you, I am excited. Like, damn, that salmon is to die for. Like, should have gotten that, honestly. Like, what? That's insane. This is some little fish. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Could not tell you. I should probably have asked. But yeah, guys, I'm ready to dig in and let you know how it is. Alright, guys, we just finished our pre-dinner. And let me tell you right now, that was absolutely astounding. Don't know how else to say it. We have 4 hours to kill in the city until we wait for our actual dinner. Let me tell you one thing right now. I absolutely fucked up my shirt. Don't like to say it, but I did it. It's straight though. Fuck it. Balls out. We're out here living life, having a good time. And we have to find something to do. And yeah, we will show you exactly what we're about to get into. Alright guys, we just finished dinner and we decided...
It was so good.
We just finished dinner and we decided not to go to dinner later tonight because we got bigger plans of editing and doing cool things around the city. You know what I mean? Just kicking it. Gotta get a jacket because I look messy as shit. First, she got a headache. We're gonna go take a little quick 15-30 minute power nap to rest the bones, rest the muscles, get relaxed, get energized for the upcoming events that are going to carry us throughout the night. That might be beach hound, that might be strolling along the beach, that might be hood rat activities, but I have no idea yet. And one thing is for sure, you guys will be along for the ride. Alright guys, I guess I am full of false promises. Did not end up going to Balboa Park today. Instead, I took a nap. That was a fucking great nap. Got me refreshed and ready for the night. Ready to edit, ready to make a coffee review, ready to play some Fortnite, and ready to kick it, most importantly. And yeah, you guys are pretty much looking at the rest of my night. And if you guys wanted to see me make any coffee preparation tutorials, let me know, because now is the time. I'm ready to do it. I am free. I don't have anything on my schedule, so I'm open to do all of that. Let me know down in the DMs, because y'all already know that's where the business goes, down in the DMs. As always, like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.